Lesson 2.3c, multiply integers. So today we're going to multiply integers and also evaluate them. And the good thing about multiplication in integers is this: it is set in stone how the answer is going to come out. What I mean by that is, yesterday you didn't really know for sure. It depended on the numbers as to whether it ended up being positive or negative. Now, there's no question. If you look at these two statements in the box, which you're supposed to have written down, the product of two integers with different signs is negative, and the product of two integers with the same sign, it's positive. So yesterday when I showed you about, remember we don't do double signs? It's kind of along these lines, isn't it? So let's do this. Let's do the symbols. If we have to take a positive times a positive, okay, so we're talking when you have an exponent using evaluation, make sure you apply that exponent and then evaluate, you plug the value in for the variable and only multiply two at a time. All right, let's look at the examples that you guys wrote. We'll go through some of these. All right, number 1, negative 5 times positive 8. So it's a negative times a positive. What's the result going to be, Caden? Negative 40. All right, number 3, positive 10 times negative 8. Dylan, what's that going to be?
80. Or negative 80.
Which one? The signs are different, so it's going to be?
80.
The
No,
sign.
negative
80. If signs are different, it's negative. And 10 times 8 is 80. Okay, number 5, negative 12 times negative 12. Mason.
Oh, 48.
No, 12 times 12.
Oh, 100. Oh, gosh. Isn't it 148?
It's 140 something.
144.
144. But Mason, it's negative times negative. So what's the result going to be?
Positive.
Positive 144. Okay, what about this one? Negative 5 times positive 7. Eli. Negative 35. And then what about negative 6 times negative 3? Liam.
That would be 18.
Positive 18. All right, let's look at a little bit of evaluation here. On number 11, it's negative 4b. Who knows what that means when you put a number in front of a letter? What does that mean? Olivia, what does that mean? Multiplication. So Olivia, if we've got negative 4b, we're going to have to rewrite this as negative 4 times what? What's b? Negative 4. And Olivia, what is negative 4 times negative 4? 16. Okay, let's look at number 13, negative 2a. Emma, what am I going to put in place of a?
Negative 3.
So it's going to be negative 2 times negative 3. And Emma, what is that?
Negative 6.
So it's negative 6?
Or, positive 6.
Positive 6. Okay, and we're going to skip ahead to number 17. Negative 2c squared. Now we got to be really careful with this one. Okay? It is negative 2 times c squared. And what is c? What is c? Caden?
5.
5. So it's going to be negative 2 times 5 squared. And Caden, what is 5 squared?
Like 5 times 5.
Right, 5 times 5, which is?
25.
Good. So we now have to do negative 2 times 25. What is that?
Times 25.
Yeah.
Be negative 50.
Perfect. Good job. Negative 50. All right. Any questions about that? plug the numbers in, and then follow the rules of the signs and then multiply.